So in this short video, I'm just going to be running over the basic conventions of posters short film posters that I've learned from today's lesson. One thing is that obviously it needs a theme, and you need to integrate text between the and also with the image. This is something that I've actually found from recently researching short film posters. I found that this is actually very successfully done in 9 out of 10 short film posters. Obviously the purpose of them, something else I'm going to be going over before I get to conventions, the purpose is to actually promote the film and also to attract an audience. Something else is that you need to sort of show your narrative within your poster, and again another purpose is that it needs to set a mood and a tone. Obviously if you have quite a calming mood due to a calm romantic film, you can't have bright red jaggedy poster. You know, it has to all link in with one theme. Also, your poster's gonna represent the quality of the film. So if someone's gonna see a really good poster, then they're immediately gonna think then that's a really good film. Posters actually, it's now clear to me that posters actually provide more impact and actually a different kind of purpose than other means of advertising. For example, if you are to look at a poster on a bus with your group of friends, you could all be discussing it and you've all experienced that together. However, if an advert comes up before you watch a YouTube video, say, for example, then that's a different kind of advertising because you're only watching that on your own in most cases, and it's not as much of an impact because you're just trying to get something else. If you're looking at a poster, you're looking at a poster as out of choice, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's one point I've considered. Also, synergy is a big part of poster making, as obviously you're using one analog method to promote a digital method, and vice versa. You're advertising to a mass audience, not a fragmented audience. This is going back to the point I said about looking at a poster on a bus, for example, rather than just looking at it on your phone to a singular person. Also, people expect to see posters, although they may be becoming what we might immediately think is old-fashioned. People will still subconsciously at least expect to see a poster, so it's a very important thing that I need to include. Moving on to conventions, sorry. Most posters always have a title, a tagline, and obviously again I'm moving on to that integrated text part of the poster. They often have an age rating and also a review. This review may just be a small quote, for example by a desirable newspaper that may have given you a quote, or even starring. You will also have a date of release, as often posters are released before the release date of the short film itself, or the film if it's a feature length. And obviously these are going to have a lot of images. You can't just have a worded poster. Also something called laurels, which I've recently found out, which is basically a little short film achievement which you are given for certain things, for example incredible directing or an incredible shot. So something like that you'll often be given. And also just general quotes by anything good. So about anything good about the short film. So yeah, they're just basic purposes and conventions of short film posters which I found out about. So yeah, thanks for watching.